You are ready to showcase your creative abilities and make money with t-shirt sublimation printing, but suddenly, you realize you can't do anything without the best quality printer. Yes, it's annoying to cross the main hurdle between you and your goals. Don't worry, there was a time when I went through a similar situation. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2720. Another EcoTank Epson printer for a wide range of uses. The ET2720 offered excellent low cost per print, thanks to the remarkable Super Tank cartridge-free system. Starting with the mediocre build quality, this t-shirt printer has an ordinary display with easy-to-access ink tanks and paper loading. If you want more cheap, then read the best cheap sublimation printer. Overall, the printer is compact and lightweight with 1.44 inches small color display. You can tilt up the screen for a better viewing angle. There is no touchscreen option, and you have to use push buttons around the small screen. What makes the ET2720 an outstanding sublimation printer is its fabulous Super Tank cartridge-free system. It features for high-capacity ink tanks that can print many black and color pages before refilling needs. One handy function to keep an eye on the ink tanks is its pop-up message that keeps you informed about ink levels. The cost per print is simply amazing for both black and color documents. I didn't like the scanning features as there is only a flatbed scanner with no double-sided scanning option. One of the best features of this Epson sublimation printer for t-shirts is its high scanning resolution along with color depth. It helps to capture minute details in your photos and fine quality print in scanned documents. Number 2. Sawgrass SG500. A high-quality sublimation printer with innovative features, Sawgrass SG500 is an excellent choice for commercial printing tasks and hobbyists. The compact-sized desktop printer is designed specifically for sublimation projects. Featuring a durable plastic body, this best sublimation printer for t-shirts comes with a unique automatic maintenance mechanism for trouble-free printing, and it proved really helpful while testing the product because we didn't clean the printhead because it was cleaned automatically. Additionally, it also cleaned the clogs of the sublimation ink in the printhead. Its 2.4 inches LED backlit display offers excellent viewing angles along with effortless navigation through the menu. But the old-schooled LED is not touchscreen, and I navigated with buttons. The Sawgrass printer supports Sublimation Ultra HD ink to provide ultimate high-resolution results that cost us very highly because the Sublimation HD ink cartridges are quite expensive. It also comes with Sublimation Ultra HD ink cartridges including 20 ml cyan, yellow, magenta, and black cartridges. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET3760. The 2.4 inches color display features physical buttons located on each side of the screen. You can easily navigate through the menu and tilt the screen for better visibility. However, the viewing angles were not according to our expectations. This Epson sublimation printer comes with a great Super Tank ink system. There are 4 high-capacity ink tanks that can be easily refilled at home. One of the best features of this cartridge-free system is that it allows printing a high number of prints before refilling. Here are 4 high-capacity ink tanks that can be easily refilled at home. Ink tanks of ET3760 with specialized ink tubes to make refilling easy. Additionally, the printer is compatible with third-party sublimation refillable cartridges. Thanks to the innovative ink-free printing system, the cost per print is amazingly low. Also, I often use it with a vinyl cutter Cricut to use the print, then cut. The flatbed scanner is decent for scanning fragile family Polaroids. Its sheet-fed scanner has an automatic document feeder to process documents quickly. The downside of the scanner is that it lacks duplex scanning, and you have to handle double-sided documents manually. The automatic document can hold up to 30 sheets, whereas the front input tray has a capacity of 150 pages. Number 4. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500. The elegant 4.3 inches color touch panel display offers effortless navigation through the menu and can be tilted according to the usage requirements. Overall, the design is simple with no fancy appearance. Equipped with a Super Tank cartridge-free system, the printer offers exceptional low cost per print without compromising on the print quality. The large ink tanks can be refilled easily and print a large number of color sublimation prints before refilling needs. Its high-resolution flatbed scanner is a great addition to scan double-sided documents automatically. There is no automatic document feeder. I printed the images manually one by one, but the printing speed for color pages was decent, which is 12 ppm, which helped me to stay productive. The front-loading tray can handle 150 sheets easily, which is perfect for large volume handling. One perfect match for the sublimation printing is its decent color accuracy with good photo print quality, which was absent in other printers. Additionally, auto two-sided printing helps to save money and time. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET15000. The design is bulky and takes a decent space on your table, not to forget the heavyweight. This sublimation printer for t-shirts has 2.7 inches color touchscreen. You can easily tilt the screen vertically for sitting or standing convenience. However, the viewing angles were quite annoying from the sides. The ET15000 sublimation printer comes with an excellent super tank system. It has 4 large ink tanks to deliver high page yield than a typical cartridge system. Technically, you can refill the printer tanks with any third-party ink, but it may damage the print head and also void the warranty. The cost per print is exceptionally low, with a high black page yield. If you are looking to print a large volume of documents, ET15000 is the perfect option for your needs. One of the best features of this Epson sublimation printer for t-shirts is its fast printing speed. It offers 17 ppm for black and amp, white, and up to 13 ppm for color documents. Although the printer can print double-sided automatically, you need to turn over large-sized documents manually. Number 6. Workforce WF7720. A well-designed printer for family and small business use, Epson Workforce WF7720 comes packed with amazing features. The first thing that got my attention was its remarkable design with highly durable build quality. Paper jams are effortless to handle, and extendable lids are handy for printing thicker items. Its 4.3 inches color touchscreen provides ultra-clear visibility with audible feedback. For additional convenience, you can tilt the screen upwards for better visibility. Equipped with a decent inkjet cartridge system, Epson WF7720 has 3 separate color cartridges, along with that the third-party ink cartridge's chipset is capable to be reset, which is a plus point to buying it. The combined page yield is possible, but the black cartridge performance is poor. Fortunately, there is a high-capacity, and extra high-capacity versions of its black cartridge are available, which last longer than the original inks. Besides pricey inks, the cost per print is excellent. Number 7. Epson Workforce Pro WF7840. With large paper handling capacity, an auto duplex, and great scanning features, WF7840 by Epson is a perfect sublimation printer for t-shirts. With fantastic build quality, bulkier design, and heavyweight, this wide printer is different from other printers in many ways. A large 4.3 inches touchscreen comes with touch-sensitive buttons and for shortcut buttons. Although vertical visibility is superb, we were not satisfied with the viewing angles from both sides. To be honest, the cartridge system of this Epson printer is just okay, as it can't print black ink pages and may need to replace the inks quite often. The bright side is that it can yield a higher number of color documents, and you don't need to replace the color cartridges frequently. For additional convenience, you can purchase high-yield cartridges from the market. But those compatible cartridges won't be able to reset the chip, which is very disappointing. So I suggest getting a sys ink system with it rather than replacing the cartridges each time. Number 8. Epson Workforce Pro WF4830. The last printer for sublimation is the Workforce Pro WF4830. Offers spectacular printing and scanning performance. Whether you are looking to digitalize old photos of your family or want to print t-shirts, this best sublimation printer is a great option for your needs. Build quality is remarkable with convenient paper jam access and ink cartridge replacement. Not only the scanner lid stays open on its own, but also you can lift the hinges to fit thicker items easily. It has 4.3 inches touchscreen display with decent visibility. The viewing angles were not convincing, but we tilted the screen vertically for our convenience. The cartridge system can yield a good number of color pages, but its black cartridge yield is poor, and you have to replace them too often. There are 3 color cartridges, which means you don't need to replace them all at once when changing the empty ones. On the bright side, you can easily find high-capacity cartridges that last longer. The cost per print is excellent but may increase if you print color documents frequently. One of the most appealing aspects of the printer is its outstanding scanning features. The flatbed scanner is a great option to digitalize old photos, and 50 Sheets automatic document feeder performs duplex scanning to make two-sided document scanning hassle-free. You can also copy and fax with WF-4830.